Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over how to swap cryptocurrency on your Coinbase wallet. Just open up your Coinbase wallet, and then what I want you to do is come here at the bottom right, click on your wallet icon. Then to swap, just come here and tap on swap. Okay, then just enter the amount you would like to swap, and you need to choose a from and to, so both the assets. Okay, so the from asset you can choose, for example, Ethereum. Okay, and then you need to choose a to asset on any network. You can come here, choose the networks, and here you just choose the assets. So let's say USDT, USDC, right? You just enter the amount, click here on continue, and here you can see all the details. Make sure everything is correct. And if you want to just go ahead and swap, if you're okay with everything, all the fees and everything, just come here and click on swap. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.